In today's video, I will show you how to make your cartoon image for free, unlocking your creative potential. Transform yourself into a unique animated character with just a few simple steps. Let's dive in together. Open the web browser and visit styler.ai. Create a free account, then click on New Project. Now, select the image ratio based on whether you want to create a landscape or portrait. Import the image you wish to convert into a cartoon and adjust its size accordingly. Now click on Image to Image. Next, choose a style, such as Dreamy 3D, and click on Stylerize. In a few seconds, it will convert your normal image into a cartoon style. Let's try another image. Import your image and adjust the image size. In this, we will use the Innocent Cute style. You can change the structure match and style intensity, but I am using the default values. Finally, click on the Stylerize button. Now select the image you want to save. Then, click Place on Canvas, right-click, and choose Save as Image. Let's try with one last image. Repeat the same process. There are lots of styles available. You can try different ones to make your image look more professional. Experiment with various styles to find the one that suits your preferences. Enhance the visual appeal by exploring the diverse range of available options. Unleash your creativity with the array of styles at your fingertips on styler.ai. Transform ordinary images into extraordinary pieces of art by experimenting with different styles. Elevate your visual storytelling and stand out with professional-looking results. Discover the power of artistic expression in just a few clicks.